Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Subscribers, you know I'm appreciating you checking in, but new viewers, you should become subscribers because you're going to get awesome recipes like this one. Tonight I'm making a super fast, super easy remix, if you will, or a mashup. I'm taking some Pillsbury Grand's buttermilk biscuits. I'm going to make them into miniature pizza crusts, as you can see here. And we're going to make a Sloppy Joe's pizza. Sounds crazy, but it'll be delicious. I've got my marinara here. I've got some homemade Sloppy Joe, but you could use, you know, your favorite manwich, or if you get your own recipe, or you could use the barbecue Sloppy Joe recipe that I had. There's another video. All I'm doing is stretching this out to make a little bit of a mini pizza crust. And I'm going to do 4 per, just to be safe. Got my spoon, a little bit of the marinara right on top. Just give it a nice little spread. Doesn't have to be heavy. So about a little more than half of a spoonful per. But again, you know, go with what works for you. I'll sauce these, and then we'll go to the next step. I've sauced all the crusts. So now I'm going to take a spoonful, maybe a little more. Okay, per, and we're just doing the same thing. I'm going to put each of these is going to get enough to just put another layer on, and then the next is cheese, and then we go into the oven. Housekeeping, I did 375 preheat. We're going to cook this for about between 15 and 20 minutes. I've got everything sauced and now sloppied. And so I'm adding chunks of fresh mozzarella. You could use whatever kind of cheese you like. So if you want to go with more of a Tex-Mex flair, do maybe a Mexican blend of shredded or maybe a sharp cheddar. I'm going to get these all up. We'll put them in the oven for, like I said, between 15 and 20 minutes. I'll set the timer for 20 and I'll check it at 15. We'll see you then. All right, I put it in for 20 minutes. You can see there's about 2.5 left. But these are definitely ready to get out. You can see that the crusts have risen a little bit. And then we're just going to cut it up. There you go. This is a perfect meal for a child or an adult. Nice and easy. If that's not enough, I made 8. And that's what this will make, because there's 8 biscuits in the container. And obviously I had some leftover Sloppy Joe.
This is great. This is awesome.
You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Check back for the next video. As always, take care.